Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Golf Rangefinder. Nice, we got a little bungee on here, and we also have a carabiner. We got a little button on the front, so if we want to, we can wrap this band around the front. And that way we can leave it unzipped so we can easily and quickly get to it. Nice, look what they put on there. So inside the case, we got plenty of banding material and even some cushion on there to protect it. And here is the rangefinder itself. I have seen some of these that are magnetic, so you can stick it onto your golf cart. This one is not magnetic. For me, that's not really a problem because I never trust magnets for that anyway, unless it's a very strong magnet, in which case it's going to be too much of a problem. I usually just use the case. On the top, we got two buttons, power and mode. On the side, we got what looks like the compartment for the batteries. And it comes with two AAA batteries. It was an interesting cover. And if we look through the front, we can see our optic there on the top and our sensor on the bottom. We have some stickers, so if we want to, we can stick those into those slots so we can identify which one is ours. We also have a tether, a cleaning cloth, our instructions, and our inspection certificate, so we know that this thing is properly calibrated. The outer ring is what you can use to focus. So when we hit the power button, we can see that menu pop up. And then we can kind of get that to focus in, so it's going to be easy on our eyes. So we can see on the top right, we got meters. On the bottom right, we also see meters. On the bottom left, we can see we are in slope mode. If I press and hold the mode button, we can change that to yards. So now if I just want to measure, I just hit the power button, and we can see we're at 1.2 yards. And we're at an angle of 46 degrees. If I hit mode quickly, we can see we are in scanning mode. So that is that flagpole on the left. With that, if I hit power, and then I scan left and right, it will tell me the distance left and right. So if I wanted to find out, for example, how large a green is, I could use that to determine the width of it. And if I hit mode again, we are now in height measuring mode. So they got a tree there. So for example, if I wanted to see what the height of a tree was, I would hit the on button and then hit the on button again at the top of the tree, and we would see what the total height of that tree was. And if we hit mode again, we will get the auto height mode. So that is that indicator there on the bottom left. With this, if we point at the top of an object and hit the on button, it will tell us the distance and the height on the bottom right, as well as the degrees. And if we hit mode one more time, we got horizontal mode. So that'll measure the distance between you and that object, regardless of the slope. The last one we have, which is pretty neat, this will actually measure the kilometers per hour. So this is going to measure the speed of something. So to measure this, you have to have this fairly level. You can't be within 10 degrees up or down. Then you just hit the power button and you can track how fast it's going. The instructions say this can read up to 300 kilometers per hour. So we got 38 yards there. 17 yards on that tree. Let's see how far we can get. 540 yards. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. That is a very cool rangefinder.